couple of weeks ago, I did a video on why first-time young car buyers should buy a new car. In this video, I'm just going to talk briefly about why rich people should buy used cars. Now, I'm not talking about the ultra rich. I'm talking about those who are maybe middle age, who are well established in their career, who got a little bit of money saved up. So maybe now is the time to buy that expensive car that you always wanted. Maybe buy it used. Let me show you one example. A brand new 2025 Mercedes-Benz E350. It's about $73,000. Now, even if you have the money, that's still a lot of money to spend on a car. But if you buy it used, 2022 Mercedes-Benz E350, it's about $34,000. And in this example, it has about 24,000 miles. So still pretty new, pretty good condition. Still got a lot of life left. Now, one of the reasons I mentioned on the other video is that for a young first-time car buyer, they don't want to be stuck with an expensive repair bill. And that can happen if they buy a used car. The same can be true for the middle-aged, financially better situated person. But hopefully by then, even if they're faced with a $5,000 repair bill, they can afford it. They can afford to keep a used car on the road. So I think that's the difference. Young first-time buyers should buy a new car, and well-established, financially secured, older guy should buy a used car. Because after all these years, it's time to get the car that you want. And I'm talking to you. You agree?